Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Taurus June 28 to June the 30th. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Gumagawa po tayo ng ibang readings doon. Pakicheck na lang po at tayo po ay nagla-live din sa ating Babaylan TV. You are very much welcome to join the live sessions. Pero kung hindi niyo po naaabutan ang live sessions, dito po sa comment section, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero Taurus, kung feeling niyo po, na hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang. Sa description box po, meron po dong link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information. How to ask a question, how much is it, modes of payment, QR codes, take advantage of it, lalo na yung ating 4+1 question. And kung gusto nyo rin po mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa ating description box. So Taurus, magsimula na tayo. Taurus, I feel like itong connection mo with your person is unti-unting nagiging much stronger, much firmer, parang you're building a foundation, or you built a foundation with your person the right time, the right way, exact moment in time. It felt like it's very blessed. There's something in here also that probably you just met this person. For a few numbers of you, this is general. You just met this person this last summer, no? Doon po sa mga taong may mga bagong karelasyon, it felt like na nandito kayo sa stage na both of you are trying to give their best shot, probably to impress, yes, but also to make them feel that you are trustworthy, Doon naman po sa mga matagal na itong karelasyon ninyo, I feel like na you are heading into a relationship that is more serious. But I feel like you are going to put this connection into another level of commitment. The Ten of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. You know what, Taurus? Maraming realization, maraming bagay, na yung person natin is, or probably this is also a mirrored energy, that both of you are fully decided na na-meet ko na yung person para sa akin. Marami din, or may mga mangilan-ngilan na nag-a-advise sa'yo na, or sa person mo, na go ahead, seryosohin mo yung tao. Probably nakikita naman ng mga taong nakapaligid, na mahal. Again, this is a mirrored energy. Mas maganda kung mirrored energy, But for a few numbers of you, this could be you, or this could be your person, What I am reading po is the dynamic, yung nangyayari po. Pwedeng ikaw yung binabasa ko, pwedeng yung person mo, pwede po yung cross-watchers. Ang cross-watchers po, siya po yung, hindi naman siya Taurus, pero nanonood po ng Taurus reading, Ang nakikita ko kasi dito is more of, because of the trust that both of you are trying to, both of you are exerting effort, and both of you are trusting each other. Kaya nakikita din ng iba na you're meant for each other. The Justice card and the Queen of Cups. Nako, I feel like kung sabihin natin deprived tayo ng ating mga nakaraang relasyon, no? Dumadating talaga yung part na naiiwan tayo, naloloko tayo, umiyak tayo sa isang tao. At that exact moment in time, siguro nararamdaman natin pinagsakluban tayo ng langit at lupa, no? Hindi tayo favorite ni, kung sino man siya, no? Kasi parang feeling mo, bakit yung iba nabibigyan ng chance, ako hindi naman ako masamang tao. Ano yung sabi ng Jowa Boy? Kajowa-jowa naman ako, no? Um, Matalino, no? May itsura. Bakit ganun yung nangyari? Kung ano man yung nagawa ng past person mo na nakilala mo, ito ang bawi, ito ang reward, parang ito ang taong para sa'yo. Taurus, madami ditong green flags. Kaya ganun na lang din ang support ng mga taong nakapaligid. Honesty and truth. I feel like no barge, no hesitations, no prejudice, to a point na sa sobrang kampante yung dalawa. Siguro nga, no, hindi na nahihiya, nauutot na, nagkakaamuyan na ng utot, ng hininga. So, I think that is a normal connection, no? Dumadating talaga dun sa point. Hindi na kayo nandun sa part na, ay, nakakahiya, no? No. Totoong nangyayari yan sa buhay. At ang daming mong madidiscover na parang nagli-lead talaga na itong taong ito is especially made, tailor-made for you. The Fool card and the Six of Wands. Pwedeng, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, bago itong relasyon. Pwede din naman merong age gap, no? We can probably say may December love affair. It may not be, pwedeng konti lang din naman ang agwat, no? Or, if we're not talking about the age, we're talking about maturity, no? Merong mga matatandang walang pinagkatandaan, di ba? So, hindi yan nakukuha sa edad. Merong mga batang mature mag-isip. So, yun, nandun tayo, no? Pwede may mga teenager pero kala mo parang pinanganak noong unang panahon, no? So, nandun yung maturity when it comes to, again, sa pag-iisip naman, if that's not the age. And I feel like this person is bringing a lot of good news, no, when it comes to you. And I feel like this is also a blessing, and a reward for you with the Page of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. Marami pang mga surprises si person para sa'yo. Kung feeling mo is nag-uumapaw ka na sa tuwa dahil sa generosity ni person, no? Patikim pa lang yan dahil marami pa siyang pwedeng i-offer. Marami ka pang makikitang dahilan kung bakit kamahal-mahal itong taong to, no? Ang maganda dito is hindi rin naman siya nagsasawang alayan ka no, ng kanyang pagmamahal. Hindi siya mahiyain when it comes to expressing their emotion. So, isa ito sa mga kainggit-inggit na relasyon na sana ay nakukuha ng iba. Pero I think that this is a reward and again, like what I mentioned, a tailor-made relationship, you know, for Taurus. So bago natin buksan itong dalawang card na ito, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, makakapwa Taurus, no? Virgo, Leo, Aries, Pisces, Capricorn, Libra, and Scorpio. So this is your reading again, Taurus. Will you help? I feel like this energy is an energy emitted by Taurus because of the previous experiences. No, um, I've been through hell and back. No, can you make me believe in love again? No, kaya mo bang patunayan sa akin na love really exists? And I feel like yun yung ginagawa ni person. No? Now, this card is a message by your spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, universe, whatever you want to call it. No? Accept where you are at this moment in time. Only then you can begin to move forward. Be clear about your intentions. This makes it easier for us and the universe to help you. Doors will open unexpectedly. Be ready. So I think na nagawa mo na ito. No? You've gone through the acceptance part, non-denial. No? Kasi parang yung past mo na accept mo na eh. I think that you are ready in this new chapter of your life. Katulad ng sinabi ng card, no, ng energy, doors will open unexpectedly. So, marami pang pwedeng ibigay si person na masusurprise ka talaga. So, be ready. Para doon sa mga single, no, baka ito na ang huling yugto nyo for becoming single. You already met the one, no? Sa mga magjowa, no? I think that this is heading towards into another level of commitment. So Taurus, this is your reading, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, no? Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon and you're very much welcome, no, to join our live sessions. Kung feeling nyo po, no, hindi nyo maaabutan yung live sessions, sa comment section po, pwede kayong magtanong as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi rin naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa description box po, no, nandun po yung aking link sa aking website. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, ang drop-downs ng questions, how much per question, modes of payment, QR code. The promotion for 4+1 is nandun din po yan. So take advantage of it. And kung gusto niyo po mag-book ng private reading, nandun din po yan. So Taurus, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po.